How to fix Viber not sending messages. I'm gonna show you a few different fixes. For the first one, I suggest checking your internet connection. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, try switching over to mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. That's gonna be the fix that works for both Android and iPhone. For iPhone users specifically, the next thing that I suggest doing is opening up your settings, searching for iPhone storage like this, clicking on iPhone storage, and then just scroll down, sort this by name until you find the Viber app. So right here, I'm just gonna go and find Viber, and you want to click on the Viber app. Then you will offload the application, and once you offload it, this button is going to become reinstall, and you will reinstall it. It's not going to sign you out of your account or anything like that, so you needn't worry about that. Once you have done this, the last thing that I suggest doing is restarting your phone. You want to turn off your phone, or if it gives you an option to restart it, simply restart your mobile device, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.